Pulled photos off your Leica D-Lux 4 camera and got RWL files instead of regular images? These are professional-grade RAW files preserving every detail your sensor captured. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening, editing, and converting these Leica RAW images. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized RWL tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. RWL Files are camera RAW image files created by Leica digital cameras, particularly the D-Lux 4 model containing unprocessed sensor data captured at the moment of exposure. They preserve maximum image information, including full bit depth, sensor readout color data, and shooting metadata for professional post-processing flexibility. RWL Files store raw bare pattern sensor data with 12-bit depth per channel, along with EXIF metadata, including camera settings, white balance lens information, and embedded JPEG preview thumbnails. The format follows Leica's proprietary specification based on the TIFF EP standard for camera raw image files. Windows often defaults to associating RWL with the Adobe Photoshop solution from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows offers only a partial view of raw content, so full workflow access needs raw editors. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your RWL file and select Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. If the RWL file is still giving you trouble, relax. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the RWL problem. First, opening an Adobe Camera RAW. Open the RWL file in Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom, which support Leica RAW files through Adobe Camera RAW. Lightroom imports RWL files into the catalog for non-destructive editing, while Photoshop opens them in the Camera RAW dialog for adjustments before opening as a working image file. Next, using Leica software. Use Leica's Capture One Express or Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, which Leica recommends for D-Lux 4 RAW processing. These applications provide accurate Leica color profiles and lens corrections optimized for D-Lux 4 image characteristics, ensuring authentic Leica image rendering during post-processing. Finally, converting to DNG. Convert RWL files to Adobe DNG format using the free Adobe DNG converter for broader compatibility and future-proofing. DNG files maintain raw image quality while being supported by virtually all modern image editors, ensuring long-term accessibility regardless of RWL format support changes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.